Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who believes in a bold lip as the finishing touch to any look, then you're in for a treat today. We're looking at ZOYA Lipstick in the shade Violette, a color that promises to be both chic and timeless. Let's dive into what makes this lipstick stand out and whether it's really worth adding to your beauty collection. First off, let's talk about what you're getting with this product. ZOYA Lipstick comes in a creamy formula, offering that perfect balance between smooth application and long-lasting wear. The shade Violette is a gorgeous purple-toned hue, which is perfect for those who want to make a statement without straying too far from a classic look. It's unflavored, which is a nice touch for those sensitive to scents or flavors in their lip products. Now, I tested this out over the past few days to see how well it holds up in a real-life beauty routine. I applied it in the morning, expecting it to last a couple of hours, and was pleasantly surprised to find that it stayed intact for about 4 to 6 hours with minimal touch-ups. It didn't feather or dry out my lips, which is a big plus, especially since many cream formulas can sometimes feel a bit heavy. The color was vibrant right from the first swipe, and it left my lips feeling comfortable throughout the day. What stood out to me the most was the texture. It glides on smoothly, and the cream finish gives that lovely hydrated look without being overly glossy. I wore it during both a hectic workday and a casual evening out, and I was impressed by how well it held up. That said, I did need to reapply after meals, as most lipsticks do tend to fade a bit after eating, but otherwise it lasted well. In terms of pros, ZOYA Lipstick has a beautiful, smooth texture that isn't too thick or too slippery. The color is vibrant, and the shade Violette is versatile enough to wear day or night. It's also worth noting that it's environmentally friendly, which is always a plus for beauty lovers who are conscious about sustainability. On the downside, the wear time could be slightly longer. While 4 to 6 hours is decent, there are other options out there that offer all-day wear without needing touch-ups. Now, is this lipstick worth the price? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want a high-quality, environmentally conscious lipstick with great texture and a flattering color, this is definitely a solid choice. However, if you're someone who prioritizes ultra-long-lasting wear, you might want to consider other brands that offer a more transfer-proof formula. If you're looking for a similar option, I'd recommend checking out a few other cream finish lipsticks from brands like Bite Beauty or Urban Decay, which offer long-lasting wear and a similar creamy texture. Overall, ZOYA Lipstick in Violette is a great addition to your lipstick collection if you love a creamy, comfortable formula that offers beautiful color payoff. It's perfect for daily wear, but if you're seeking something with more staying power throughout a busy day, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've tried ZOYA Lipstick, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget, the link to purchase this product can be found in the description box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.